Hello everybody, this is an orchid spotlight update on my Neostylis Lou Sneary bluebird. So finally it's in full bloom right now. Well, not really, it still has some, as you could see here, some buds that haven't opened yet. So they look like that when they're still about to open. Let's see, get to focus on one. The spur is pointing up when it's still about to open, and when it's open, the spur points down, just like that. Yeah, so I would just like to show you the two spikes that it put out. So there's 1 and 2 there. One have more flowers on it. I think it's about 7 on one side and 3 on the other spike. So these plant bloomed for me just a little bit about 3 months ago, and now it's blooming again. And if I would remember, it's about like 3 weeks or 2.5 weeks that the flowers had been the length of of the flowers being on the plant, it's about that long. So yeah, I'm not complaining. It's a good amount of time for blooms, which are they're so dainty and small, and also the scent is spectacular. It's very clean. It's a very clean scent. It smells like jasmine and also like soap. If you get my drift, it's a little bit sophisticated than that, but yeah, it's very likable. Yeah, so this is how it looks like close up. Alright, so this is very coveted because of the blue tinge on the flowers, and it's quite easy to take care of. I only had it in bark chips, and then I just water it every 2 or 3 days, and it's fine. It's a relatively low maintenance plant, and it's supposed to bloom it's almost like 2 to 3 times a year. So it's not so hard to take care of, and it only needs a little bit of light. It doesn't really like strong light. It turns purple, the leaves turns purple, and I really liking this so much because it's so fast growing. Alright, so those are the roots, and the roots are looking well. They're all in the medium, growing through the medium. Yeah, so that's pretty much what my video is about, featuring these flowers. And hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.